Dr. Z is back, and she's going to tell us about a new treatment that will rid your arms of spots.
Yes,
tell us about
you're too young to have spots. Maybe one day. I've had spots before. Not if you use some tips that I have for prevention. And I'd really like to go over prevention because it's a lot easier to prevent than it is to treat. So what's the best prevention?
Sunscreen.
Yes, yes, because 80% of aging is from the sun. 80%. So if you're going to do one thing, make it sunscreen. And you got to, this is the best. My favorite.
That's the best kind?
The best, the best. Next thing is just block with these long sleeves. These are great. And
these
they're
are
cool.
Yeah, they do keep you cool.
They are cool. They're not like yesteryear and hot. And I use these all the time. Okay, so that's the two best things. And then also to put a film, a UVA film, a tint, but it doesn't have to be tinted. It can be clear, but it's UVA. So most windows are just UVB blocked. UVA, I have it in my car, my work windows, and my home windows. It costs about $300, $200 to $300 to do your car. That's the best investment. Okay, now after you have the sun damage, what can you do? IPL, BBL, light-based devices, those get rid of the uneven pigmentation, which ages you 5 to 7 years, so you really want to do that. And that's what I did on my arms about 10 years ago, and I haven't had to do it since, but I have protected my arms since then. The other thing is lasers such as CO2 laser, that's great. I do about once a year on my arms to keep them tight, because with sun exposure, elastic fibers in your skin, which give you that plump firmness, and the collagen are damaged, the elastic fibers, and the collagen, it's gone. So those two things are protected with the sun, with sunblock and these, and those procedures such as lasers will make your skin make more collagen. So you'll get some fullness and tightness. There's a 1540 laser, Fraxel. These are some before and after pictures.
Oh, wow.
So the left side, you can see a lot of pigment. The right side, not as much. She still has some. That was after one treatment of one of those light-based procedures. This is, again, before and after, and this is light-based procedure again. And then, again,
That's
now...
quite a difference.
Yes, it is, and it's simple. There's no downtime. And there are also some other things that you can do as a maintenance, and I really like that. And if you can't afford a procedure, the procedures may cost $500 up to $2,000, and it can get quite pricey. But once you get your arms where you want them, the maintenance isn't as bad. But there is a cream here that's pretty new because you don't have to have a prescription for it. And you can use it at night, and it has great results for pigmentation, and it helps increase the collagen formation. So it has glycolic and lactic and kojic, those are all acids, and then it has a hydroquinone, which helps bleach your skin also. That's what I like for maintenance.
Okay.
Easy.
Well, and we want to get to this basket before we run out of time here. Yeah. We do have a basket to give away. This is for caller number 10. Call the number on your screen, 225-336-2321, 336-2321. For a copy of the rules or details about the basket, we have that posted on our website, WBRZ.com. All right, so maintenance.
Yes.
Put that sunscreen on.
That's right.
Thanks, Dr. Z, so much. We appreciate you coming in.
Thanks.
You're watching WBRZ News 2 at 4. We'll be right back.